Hello everybody, it is me, Sam's Vlogs, Trains and More here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be back with a more video, and it is going to be a TubeBuddy tutorial and review for you guys. Obviously we're still doing these sorts of videos just because it's nice to share it with you guys, and because we can't do too much because we're still on lockdown here in the UK. But this is an app called TubeBuddy, which is available on all devices pretty much. I've got it currently on my phone, and it's a really cool app. And I've just got the free version because I know you can get paid versions, but the free version is just as works as well as cool, and it's a little bit similar to the YouTube Studio, but it has lots more benefits in my opinion. So first of all, on this page, the videos page, which is usually the page where you first open up, as you can see at the top, I have got 1,090 subscribers-ish. YouTube's obviously on his glitches and patches currently, so you lose and then gaining basically. But then it shows all recent videos, as you can see. You can whoever just commented on my video can get a bit of a free promotion now, lol, because notification just popped up. Anyway, so as you can see, it shows all my recent videos. For example, videos like my shorts are literally blown up, but yeah, it shows all recent videos and like how many likes it's got basically on each video, how many dislikes, like all the comments and stuff, and then yeah, that's basically all that. And then it'll tell you the amount of comments, but to see clearly what the comments are, you literally just go to the comments tab. So I will show that. Also you can filter it as well, so you can do like filter it such to not show private videos, for example. Basically I've just got it showing all currently, so just click done. So yeah, that is the video section, and then you can share this video and then remove from the app, not YouTube. It removes it from the app, it doesn't delete it off your YouTube channel. And then you go into comments, and then these guys can literally have shout outs. For example, the Hopes Family Network has just commented with the notification minute. These guys can have shout outs as well. But it tells you like loads of comments and stuff, like even the comments, it says basically all comments except ones that are hidden in YouTube, like spam or helpful review filters. So all these comments basically, so these guys can have got shout outs as well. And then, so that's all the comments and stuff. And then you can, I think it does give you the option to, yeah, you can reply to this comment, but I don't reply to your comments on here just because that's the only thing you can't do on TubeBuddy. You can't heart comments like you can do on the studio or on YouTube, the app YouTube. So with this TubeBuddy, you can reply to it, but you can't heart it. Yes, so that's the comment section. Then obviously you can filter it. I think you can filter it to show all. I think. Oh yeah, you can filter the filtering options as well as for the same with both videos and comments. We're moving on to a milestone section. We just refresh. So as you can see, it shows all my milestones. As you can see, so currently showing on there is 50,000 views, 1,000 subscribers, 60,000 views, and 500 uploads. So that's your milestone section. And then also this little section at the bottom, for goodness sake, 2 pineapples can get a shout out of a heart and a comment. Notifications will keep popping up. So basically it's a free promotion for if anybody gives me a notification, because I don't edit these videos. I literally just screen record them. So here's upcoming milestones. So as you can see, to 1,100 subscribers, we've got less than 10 to go, and then to get 65,000 views, we've got 96 views to go. So not actually that many. And then to get 550 uploads, we've got 39 to go. So on and so forth. So that's the milestone section. And then obviously it gives you a picture of that, and then you can actually just save to photos or share it. You can do, I just save to photos, and then I just put a picture up on my social media myself. So for example, when I want to publish something like that, but I've already done that already. And then there's a news section. It just tells you loads of news basically with the TubeBuddy community, and it also tells you in that red circle if you've got notifications, for example 61 new news articles. but I don't really look up the news section, to be honest with you. It just tells you loads of news stuff. And you can share, obviously, you can, with the 3 dots, you can just share the news articles, basically. And then this is my favourite section. So, obviously, you can sign out, and, community, if I just got into community, I'm not sure what community is. I think it's just stuff that people have posted and stuff, to be honest. I don't really look at, the community tab that much, to be honest with you. And then tag lists. You can just like add loads of different tags. So I haven't done that anyway, because I'll just search a tag and search in the tag explorer, which I'll show you in a minute. But you can add tags to your list. So for example, if I want to add, I don't know, snow, because obviously I've made a snow video recently, I actually just press save basically. But I'm not going to do that. But you can add tags to your list. And then if I go back from the tags list, what's this one? I haven't actually Canva sponsors, don't know what that one is. And then they've got their own YouTube channel, TubeBuddy, which I've checked out. And then feedback, you can basically send feedback. For example, if I say this is a really cool app, and you can literally just press send. I'm not going to send any feedback there, because that's usually for if there's a problem to report, basically. That is. But you can obviously submit feedback, and then you can upgrade. And then you can also, there's an option to sign out, basically. But, and also, it also gives you a more detailed version of your channel there. So, obviously, my Sam's Vlogs Trains and More channel is connected. I've got 511 videos, 64,900 views, and 1,090 subscribers this year. And it's just taken me back to the home page. And Two Pineapples going to get another shout out for replying to my comment there, though. What was I looking at? This section. So yeah, that's basically what this section is. So yeah. And then we'll have a look at Tag Explorer. So this is the section where I get quite a lot of my tags for my videos, and this is actually really one of my favourite things about this app. This app is really cool. I actually love TubeBuddy. I haven't got the paid version, so for you guys that have got the paid version, this is going to be slightly different, because obviously the paid version's got a few more features. But for example, if I want to add, I don't know, a tag, for example, let's say I went to let's just say I went on holiday to Blackpool. We're going to search Blackpool, tag Blackpool, and see what comes up. As you can see, the overall part, I don't really get, to be honest, because I've been putting loads of tags in, and it's saying very bad over time. But in the actual search volume and competition, it's saying very high. So Blackpool is a good tag, and that's probably clear because loads of people make videos about the seaside resort of Blackpool. They do. And yeah, and then it also gives you related tags as well. So for example, a popular tag at the moment is Blackpool hotels, and I think that's pretty much because there's been lots going on with the hotel industry in Blackpool at the moment, so I think that's why that's a popular tag. And then it's got options here, for example, autocomplete, Blackpool versus West Ham, Blackpool Grime. And then other tags, for example, Blackpool versus West Bromwich Albion is a popular tag. So yeah. And then if I want to use that tag, I'll actually just put it into my tags when I'm editing a video. And then let's give you one more example. Let's do a harder one. Let's just say holiday. Let's put holiday. See how popular this tag is. Holiday. This one is, there's these options which I'm not sure what are, but I've just put holiday in. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do one from my most recent video I did of the snow. So I'm gonna put snow in. So these are, it's not very high. This one is, but it's still high. It's still alright. And then they've got these also better tags. For example, I use this one, winter storm, and there's also camping in the snow and major snowstorm in there as well. So yeah. That's like a really cool section for Tag Explorer. And then this is just version 2.56. I'm not sure if there's any updates that need to be doing, but it's a really, really cool app. So the only improvements that could be necessary is maybe it shows a bit more exact information, if I'm making sense and stuff, and maybe give the option to heart comments like the YouTube Studio does maybe. But obviously these are just my personal reviews and opinions, but that is basically a tutorial and honest review of the TubeBuddy app, the free version on my phone. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit thumbs up. Comment your thoughts and opinions as well. I always reply to the comments when I get a chance. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and you haven't already. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye bye, guys. Peace out.